Aviation This Week is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Turkish Airlines completes the great move to Istanbul Airport. Then SITA releases its 2019 Baggage IT Insights Report. And the F-35 program targets lower cost per flight hour. Turkish Airlines in early April largely completed what it calls the Great Move to its new home at Istanbul Airport, which officially opened in late October 2018. The new Istanbul Airport, also called the Monument of Victory, is expected to be the largest airport in the world. Previously, the Turkish flag carrier had been based at Ataturk Airport through its 86-year history. The airline's moving operation was 96% complete on April 6, after an effort spanning 32 hours. During the Great Move, equipment weighing approximately 47,300 tons was carried to Istanbul Airport. This includes more than 10,000 pieces of equipment, the equivalent of freight carried by 5,000 trucking rigs. The distance covered by the rigs carrying this load was calculated to be around 400,000 kilometers, the equivalent of circling the Earth 10 times. The move involved more than 1,800 personnel. SITA on April 24th released its 2019 Baggage IT Insights Report. It highlights that a record drop in baggage mishandling globally over the past decade has plateaued. This rate has held steady at around 5.7 bags per 1,000 passengers over the past 3 years. SITA notes, however, this steady rate is significant based on the growth in passenger numbers. In 2018, 4.36 billion travelers checked in more than 4.27 billion bags. Transferring baggage from one aircraft to another remains a challenge, with transfer bags accounting for 46% of all mishandled bags. Over the past decade, the total number of mishandled bags per year has dropped 47%, from 46.9 million in 2007 to 24.8 million in 2018. While the annual bill footed by the industry has shrunk 43% to $2.4 billion. The F-35 Joint Program Office, JPO, on April 17th announced it has moved some of its suppliers to longer-term agreements, beyond what had been one-year contracts, to improve supply and reduce costs, which may have a significant impact on Canada. The F-35A Lightning II is expected to be one of 4 advanced fighters submitted in bids for Canada's Future Fighter Capability Project. The formal RFP is expected this spring. Lockheed Martin has reduced its portion of operating costs per aircraft by 15% since 2015. The F-35 JPO shared a goal to achieve a cost per flight hour of $25,000 for the aircraft by 2025. In April 2019, Inside Defense reported the F-35 JPO has been working with prime contractor Lockheed and engine maker Pratt & Whitney to reduce the per-unit cost of the F-35A to $80 million by 2020. These projections are significant in that they better align the once expensive F-35 platform with other future fighter contenders in terms of cost per flight hour and cost per unit. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place on May 25th in WestJet's facility at the Calgary International Airport.